Effective 11 a.m. Saturday, Tier 1 vehicles will be restricted on I-476 between Interstates 78 and 81. Restrictions will remain in place until conditions have improved enough to warrant their removal. Additional speed restrictions and right lane restrictions for commercial vehicles will be imposed as necessary on a regional level. PennDOT urges motorists to avoid travel if possible or use caution, reduce speeds, and be aware of changing weather conditions. Drivers should prepare or restock emergency kits with items such as non-perishable food, water, first aid supplies, warm clothes, a blanket, cell phone charger, and small snow shovel, along with any needed baby or pet supplies or extra medication. In winter weather, drivers are urged to stay at least 6 car lengths behind an operating plow truck and remember that the main plow is wider than the truck. Be alert, since plow trucks generally travel much slower than other traffic. Move as far away from the center of the road as safely possible when plow trucks approach, and remember that snow can obscure the actual snow plow width. Never try to pass or get between several trucks plowing side by side in a plow train. The weight of the snow thrown from the plow can quickly cause smaller vehicles to lose control, creating a hazard for nearby vehicles. Never travel next to a plow truck since there are blind spots where the operator can't see, and they can occasionally be moved sideways when hitting drifts or heavy snowpack. Keep your lights on to help plow truck operators better see your vehicle, and remember that vehicle lights must be on every time a vehicle's wipers are on due to inclement weather.